There. Hello and welcome to today's class. This is Asụsụ Igbo, Learn Igbo Language. My name is Apugodoroma Angeloma, and this is my husband, Ugo. He's the student and I'm the teacher. And I know you are also the student. So sit down, get to your book, get to your pen, no eating, okay? Now it's time for class. So we're going to be learning Asụsụ Igbo. Today's class is the continuation of our last classes. So we're continuing to learn words associated with the Igbo alphabet. The last class we learned fi, gi, wi, wi, okay? And this class we're going to be learning he, e, a, j, k. But before we get to today's class, I want to welcome you. If today is your first time watching us, you are welcome to Asụsụ Igbo. We teach Igbo language every Wednesday on this channel. And for those that are coming back to watch again and again, thank you for joining us again. So, here is time for class. Go. I want you to pronounce one word each from the last class. Fe, gi, wi, ri, wi. So go. Fe, give me a word from fe.
Fe. That's KACHIFO.
KACHIFO, correct. Ge.
Ge.
Mm-hmm.
Wait a minute. This is G, right?
Yes.
Ego.
Ego, correct. What is ego?
Money.
Money, very good. We. GB. We.
GB. That was a little more difficult.
Awa.
Awa.
Plain. Awa.
Awa.
Yes. Awa. Iwa. Iwu. Iwa. Ball. Awa. Next. Re. GH. Re. There's one you always like saying.
One I always like saying?
Mm-hmm. Watara.
Guatara.
Yes, you like saying Watara. I understand. Next and final one. GW. Gui.
IKWU.
IGBA. Clap for yourself. Now you're going to clap a little. No, don't clap it. Clap a little for yourself.
A little?
Yes, because you didn't get all of them. Good. I hope you try. For those that are joining us for the first time, go back and watch the other videos so you can know where we start, okay? So today, we are going to be following with he, e, j, k. Pronounce after me. He, e, j, k. Okay, now I'm going to pronounce two words here and then you pronounce the last three. Okay. That's how we always do that, right?
Yes.
Okay, now here the first one you have is HURU. HURU. See this? HURU. Good. That means sing. If you see this one, you say ho. HURU. Sing to see something. HURU. Ahụrụ gị, I saw you. See. Sing. HURU. Okay. Next word. HAPU. See? He with A is HAPU. Did you pronounce that right? HAPU. HAPU means leave. Leave it alone. HAPUya. Leave. Leave. To leave something alone, right? To leave something. HAPU. Okay? HAPU, leave me. HAPU, leave me. Okay? Next one, you're going to pronounce now. Go.
AHIA.
Correct! Give me 5. You are getting better at this. AHIA. AHIA means markets. AHIA. Markets. AHIA market. Last class we learned how to say J, right? Ga or J. Ga, J, ga. Ga AHIA. Go market. Okay, next one. Ha is a pronoun. Them. 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 Ha or they. They are going to the market. Ha na Je ahia.
Hana je ahia.
Yes. Hana je ahia. See? Ha they going market. Okay. Next one. Pronounce.
Ahu.
Again.
Ahu.
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 Ahu is body. Ahu, body. Skin, body. Your body. Ahum. Ahum, my body. Ahum, my body. Okay, now we're going to pronounce all of them from the beginning to the end. Ready? You ready? Let's go.
HURU.
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 Same. Next.
HAPU.
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 Next.
AHIA.
AHIA.
Ha.
Ha.
Ahu.
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 All right, that's very good. Let's go to the next one. E.
E.
This is a vowel. E.
E.
E. In English language, you have E as what? I. In English, this is I, right?
Yeah.
But in Igbo language, it is called E. It's not I. It's E. Okay? So whenever you see this, call it what? E. Don't call it I. It's not I. It's E. Ready? Number one.
E.
Correct. E. E. And this was mean you. Ina. Eje. Ahia. You are going to market. E. E is you. E is you. Next one. Bilie.
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 So you have bilie.
Bilie.
Correct. You know what that means?
No.
It means get up. Get up. Stand up. Now, if you're sleeping, what is sleep? Larora, right? Sleeping. I come there. Bilie, bilie, bilie. Like stand up, get up. Or you're sitting down on a chair and I don't want you to sit down. I'll be like, bilie. Okay? You can say bilie. Most time I know that these parents are always telling their children, bilie. Bilie. Next one. It's your turn, so you're going to pronounce the next three. Go.
Okay. FICHA.
FICHA. We already studied that one before, right? Means clean. FICHA. Next one.
Chi.
Chi. Do you know what chi means?
Spirit.
Yes, chi is a spirit, or you can use this short form of saying chuku. Chi is also God.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
ECHI.
Very good. Echi. Echi means tomorrow. Echi, tomorrow. Echi. Now, the reason why I give you the meanings of this word is to build your vocabulary. If you can, write down the word and write down the meanings of the word. By the time we finish all the alphabets, you are able to get a lot of vocabulary to start forming sentences. When we start forming sentences, okay? It will help you. So just write down the word and its meaning, but don't stress yourself trying to remember all the meanings now, okay? Now it's your turn. You're going to pronounce all the words from beginning to end. Ready?
E.
E.
Bilie.
Bilie, correct.
FICHA.
FICHA.
Chi.
Chi.
ECHI.
Echi. Give me 5. Yes, give me 5. Ooh. Okay, so we're going to the next one. This is E.
Because of the dot.
Yes, there's a dot underneath. And this one is E without a dot. This one is E with a dot. There's a dot under it, and it's called E. Go.
E.
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 This is like it's a E. 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 Okay. Now I'm going to pronounce the first two. You pronounce the last three. 1, go. EJ.
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 So you can see now, you have E is not EJ. E, EJ. EJ.
EJ.
EJ.
EJ.
This is half form of somebody's name. Ijoma. But it's called journey. EJ. EJ means journey.
Journey.
Journey. I have a friend's name is Ijoma.
Icho.
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 Icho. Icho means to look for something, to find something. I'm looking for something. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Icho. Ana achoife. Okay? Icho. Next is your turn.
Ihunanya.
Very good. Ihunanya. I know you know this one. What does that mean? You're supposed to know this one. What does that mean? Ihunanya.
Love.
Yes, it is love. Correct. Give me 5. Very good. Love. I always tell you, ahụrụ gị n'anya. Right? Ihunanya. Love. This is. Oh, so sweet. Ihunanya. My love. So you can give your special somebody. You can even call your mama and your baba. Ihunanya. And they'll be laughing, right? Ihunanya. The next one. Iwa. Iwa.
Iwa.
The last class we learned awa, right? Awa means playing. Iwa means to play. They changed the word from a to e, means to play. Iwa, ichoro. Iwa, do you want to play? Remember, choro means want, right? Choro. Iwa, right? E means what? You.
Yeah.
Choro means what? Want.
Yeah.
And Iwa means what? To play. Okay. Next one.
Equal.
IKWU. Correct. IKWU, say that again.
Equal.
IKWU. IKWU means to speak, to say something. So sometimes in Igbo language, when you see that E starts the verb, it's usually giving you to something, but it's not all of them. When we start learning verbs, I will explain the differences, okay? So this is IKWU.
Equal.
All right, now it's time to pronounce all of them one after the other. Ready?
Yes. Ije.
IJE. You ready? Okay, let's go.
Icho.
Icho.
Ihunanya.
Ihunanya.
Iwa.
Iwa.
Equal.
IKWU. Correct. In 5. Yes, good job. Okay, now it's time to go to Je. 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 Say that.
Je.
Okay. Je.
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 Okay. Now, number 1 is Njem.
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 Njem means journey. Okay. Iwa. Where's that? Ije Njem. Going on a journey. Ije Njem. Going on a journey. Yes. Ije Njem. Ana Eje Njem. Okay. So Njem means journey or traveling. Okay. Ana Eje Njem, traveling.
Okay.
Next one. G.
J.
G.
J.
G.
J.
G is one of the food you like eating. And sure, it's the food we ate this morning.
Oh,
What did you eat this morning?
I'm trying to remember.
What did you eat this morning?
Yam.
Yam. G is yam. Correct. G. G. Say that.
G.
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 G. Do you like yam? He likes yam, but yam is not his favorite food, but he does like it. Do you like it? I like yam a lot because you can use yam to prepare so many things. Pounded yam, flour, different things actually. So G is a very essential food here in Igbo land, okay? G.
G.
One of the things about yam is you know a rich man by the size of his barn, his yam barn in the land of Igbo. Yes. If you want to know a rich man, go to his yam barn and find out. Is it big? Is it sizable?
Yeah.
Wow. He's a wealthy man. G. Okay, next one is your turn. Go.
OG.
OG, correct. You know what that is? OG. So I have or here. Oji, do you know what that is? It means cola. Cola.
Cola.
Yes.
Cola nut.
Nyam oji, give me cola.
Mm.
Were oji, take cola. Oji. Next one.
JIDE.
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 It can be somebody's name. JIDE in the Yoruba land. Okay? And also, it means hold. JIDE.
JIDE.
Thank you. Means hold this. JIDE. JIDE, hold this. Next one.
JEWO.
Together.
JO.
Very good. Jaw. Jaw means ask. Drum. What does that mean? Ask me.
Ask. Oh.
Drum. Drum. Ask me. Drum. Drum means ask. Means me. So together, drum. Ask me. So I'm your teacher. If you have any question, drum. Okay? Good. And now we're going to pronounce them from beginning to end. Ready? Go.
Let's see. Njam.
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 Traveling on the journey. Next one.
J.
G, correct.
OG.
OG, correct.
JIDE.
JIDE, correct.
JO.
Jor, very good. You did a good job. Now the final one for today is K. K.
K.
K.
K.
K.
K.
All right. In the Igbo language, we don't have anything like C, but we have a K, but we have a CH. Ch. So we have K. First one.
KACHIFO.
KACHIFO, you already know that because we studied it when we were studying FI, right?
Yeah.
So KACHIFO means good
Good
night.
night.
Very good. Next one, Oka.
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 Oka. Say that?
Oka.
Very good. It means corn, maize. Corn. It's a planting season now, so everybody's planting Oka. Let us go and plant Oka. Ka anyị je plant Oka in the Igbo. Okay, next one is your turn.
Aka.
Aka. This. Give me 5. Nyem aka gi. Aka. This is aka. Aka. Next one.
AKUKO.
AKUKO. Wow. Good job. Participate. Yes, did you get that? AKUKO. AKUKO means news. News. Huh. You like news. You like AKUKO. AKUKO. Next one.
CHIKE.
CHIKE. Very good. This is somebody's name.
Yeah.
CHIKE. Just like Emeka. Just like Ugo. This is a CHIKE. CHIKE. Very good. All right, now pronounce all of them from beginning to end. Go.
KACHIFO.
KACHIFO.
Oka.
Oka.
Oka. Aka.
Aka.
AKUKO.
AKUKO.
CHIKE.
CHIKE. Very good. Give yourself 5. Clap for yourself.
Do I get a lot of claps?
No, 1.
One.
Very good. Okay, now you can see we pronounce the words he, J, K. Now we're going to pronounce all of them one time together. Okay? Pronounce after me as I go. HURU.
HURU.
HAPU.
HAPU.
AHIA.
AHIA.
Ha.
Ha.
AHU.
AHU.
I.
BILIE.
BILIE. FICHA.
FICHA.
CHIKE.
ECHI.
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 JIDE.
IKWU.
ICHO.
THUNANYA.
EGBA.
IKWU.
Njem.
J.
OJI. JIDE.
JO.
KACHIFO.
KACHIFO.
Oka.
Oka. CHIKE.
CHIKE.
Very good. Okay, now you start. You're going to go one time, go through everything, and then that will be the end of today's class. Ready?
HURU.
HURU.
HAPU.
HAPU.
AHIA.
AHIA.
AHU.
AHU.
AHU. BILIE.
BILIE.
FICHA.
FICHA.
CHIKE.
ECHI.
IGBA.
IJE.
ICHO. THUNANYA.
ⵉGBA.
IKWU.
IKWU.
Njem.
Ji.
Oji. JIDE.
Jụọ.
KACHIFO.
Ọka.
Aka. AKUKO. CHIKE.
Cover yourself. Now you can clap as many times as you want. Yes, okay, thank you so much. I hope you have learned how to pronounce this word. In our next class, as usual, I'm going to make you pronounce one word out of each of these letters, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I will be seeing you next week, Wednesday, for another lesson of Asụsụ Igbo. I hope you enjoyed today's class.
I enjoyed.
Okay, next class, you're going to be telling me, you're not going to look at your book when you pronounce some of this one. So make sure you practice it throughout the week, okay? All right, see you next time. Do have a nice day. I love you so much. What do you have to say?
Later.
Later.